We talk about how can you fix this problem on your Photoroom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Photoroom app, or just click here on search. Then here add photo ROM. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.